Hi, what's up guys, I'm Saikat and this is Take Gadgets. This video is dedicated to the creators who wants additional help with the pre-publication works of a video in YouTube. Well, today I'll be talking about tubebuddy. Before proceeding further, this is not a paid promotion. I just want to help those creators who are still unaware of tubebuddy. tubebuddy is a great tool if you are a YouTube creator. You can make thumbnail with this tool, you can add info card and template with this one. In the tag section you can see there is a number in green. That is where this video, or you can say the tag, ranks in YouTube search result. It actually helps you to find the perfect title and tags for any video. Now under this you have some tag suggestions. By clicking on the plus sign you can add the tag in your video without typing. Let's say I want to write a tag of my own. Just write few letters and it will give you some suggestions. These tags will also be available once you subscribe to their paid service. Now here, if you click on this button, it will take you to their page, and from here you can view almost everything of your channel. There are also milestones section from where you can view some of the memorable milestones of your channel. Well, you can print your milestones from there on canvas or frames, or you can just download it. It has real-time subscribe account. Well, you cannot see any changes because nobody subscribes to my channel. Now, if you click on the upgrade now option from here, you have $9, $19 and $39 package per month. The productivity tools they provide with the packages are listed below. It has wide range of service. And this is pretty much everything they got. Well, thanks for watching this video guys. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you guys don't like this video, please go to the comment box and state your reason there. If you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button down there. It is free to subscribe, and I'm Saikat signing off for today. We'll be back with a new video soon. So till then, goodbye. And don't forget to check our website www.takegadget7.com.